Alright guys, if you have an air-cooled 911, 912, or 930, the 911 Turbo, you need to have one of these little jack pads with you in the car at all times. And what that does, that slides into your jack point right there. If you have an original jack for your car, then you know that jack pin slides in there, that goes in. Most of us have put that original jack away and now use a floor jack when we need to work on the car. So we'll get that pin in there. Basically, you're just going to take your floor jack and you're going to slip that pin in there, that plate. It will adjust right there to your floor jack. And when you lift that up, when you start pumping it, you're going to lift up the whole side of the car. And that's what it's designed to do. That way you can get in there, change a tire if you need to. When it comes to putting up the car on all fours, use jack stands. Don't use Harbor Freight. The one spot in the front you can do under the control arm, the A-arm, you can go up here in the front, or you can go in the back, depending on what you're trying to do. I prefer, when I jack up my Porsche and I'm going to work on it, to put that jack pad back there. It just gives it a bit more stability, in my opinion. Then out back, you can put that right there under the torsion bar, or you can go on the other side to the actual torsion bar tube, and you can put the jack stands there or the other place. So then once you have it up, and sometimes it takes an extra little effort to get it up high enough, depending on how much height you need on your jack, for your jack stands to get to a certain height so you can get underneath your car. But you can see now it's supported. And make sure that's in the back there, and that jack pad. So when we go to set this down, it should work. See right there where those that A-arm connects right there? That is where you put that front floor jack stand at, there in the front. Alright, so let's move to the side here. We're going to pop that jack pad in place. And got to get it in the hole, Brian. In the hole, in the hole. Yep, there we go. And let's get our jack over here. And we'll line it up. And we're going to jack up this part of the car. And then once you jack it up, just jack it up to the same height as the other side. And you pretty much have yourself a car up in the air quick and fast. Grab your jack stands, put them in place. Kind of give it a walk around here, just kind of give you an idea. So all four wheels are off the ground. It is almost level, front to back. And now I can take care of some oil leaks, as you can see, that I'm going to work on here. And plenty of room. The tires are up and off. It is stable. It is secure. And no worries about this thing falling on me when I'm under there working on the car. So alright guys, pretty simple, easy, quick video. Buy the jack pad. I'll have a link below where you can buy one for yourself. Keep one in the car, keep one in your shop. But that's how you jack up your Porsche. Thanks guys.